In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Buffer Social Media Manager. To begin, we're going to open up our Google Chrome browser and write Buffer Social Media. From there, what we're going to do is open up the site where it says https://buffer.com for your audience on social and beyond. So what Buffer does is it allows you to manage your social media accounts and help you grow. So we're going to press on Get Started now. And we are going to have to log in or get our account set up. So I'm going to be making a spam account. I'm not a robot, and sign up. From there, momentary browser security check. This is quite normal. Just give it a few seconds and you should be redirected. From there, welcome to Buffer. We have multiple things you can do: grow your audience, to schedule posts to build your audience, or create a simple page for your business, analyze your content with one click. So I'm going to be pressing on create a start page because that is what this video is about today. From here, choose a starting template. We're going to choose, I think this one is quite nice. So our page name will be Gary June. This is basically like a link tree, but better. This will help your people access your account. So here we go. This is the page right here. As you can see, quite nice. Here are all the elements. So profile image, we can upload our own image. I'm going to be going to, I believe, here. Let's see this. So mine is a gift. And there we go. We have that right there. From there, we have our button link. Book a free consultation and download my free ebook. So here we're gonna do book a meeting with the G, and we can do promotion freetopg.com because annotate does need to be freed. Anyways, from there, that's our first one. And join HU2, and we're gonna do the real world, I believe. I don't know. So this is just an example website. And from here, this is the second image. Take the self-care quiz, etc. I'm gonna delete this, and there we go. From there, we're gonna delete these buttons as well. 2 buttons should be more than enough. Excuse me. From here, we can also delete this. This is the YouTube button. So we're gonna delete this right here. And now we're left with our starting page, the 2 buttons, and our social links. So first thing we're going to be changing is our social links. We have Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. You can change this to whatever you want. We can do Growmore Tech, but that's not an actual thing at the moment. At least I don't think so. YouTube channel, you can get the link pasted. Instagram goes the same thing. From here, the next thing we want to change is our bio. The bio can be quite helpful to understand and give an understanding to your audience on what you want to do. So here are my social media links and a bunch of more content, and then you can write the next upcoming thing. So next upcoming project soon, and there we go. And then you can add like blank HTTPS, and you get the idea. So from here, we want to change the background. What we can do is go to layout, appearance, and you can change the button colors. We can change it to this or this. This one looks quite nice. We can change the font. So let's do railway. And you can also add a block, but we're not going to be doing that. So this is what it looks like so far. You can go back to layout and go right here. Then our background image we can change, so we can upload our own or try these. I think I'm at this one. And there we go. That is how to make a starting page on Buffer. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.